Alright, back again guys with video number 2. So now what I can do is I'll show you the settings that we've got on the Motorola MC9090 that's causing the problem. So I'll just try and get that onto the computer. So I'm running the Wavelength product configuration tool, which is just here. So it's wavelength 90_05_AS Telnet CE. So I've been using that. Okay, so I'll import the settings. Just trying to get it so you can see clearly enough, guys. So I'll import. So I'll go into my directory and find it, which is the new profile we're using, excuse me, as we run two hosts at this site at Knoxfield and only one host at Kyabram. But anyway, it's still no different anyway, but yeah, I just thought I'd explain that. So I'll upload it. The settings were restored successfully. I'll now go config only. So the updates are successfully installed. Okay, so now I will remove the version number, take the cradle, take the RF unit out of the cradle, and I will reboot. So now what I'll do is I'll go through a EAN check-in process for here using the MC9090 RF unit handheld. I won't go and put it on the cradle yet. That'll be video number 3. As per the emails I've sent, so there's two different files. There's one which is the Knox and the paperless one, WLTNA file, and then there's another file with a working EAN. Now that working EAN file, we had Damien, I can't remember his last name, he was from Air Data, he worked for him, and actually he got around to actually getting it to a point where it would work with the EAN checking. However, once we hit the 5th RF and went on to the 6th RF, that's when it dropped out. It just would not do it. So we could do it up to 5 RFs, but after that we couldn't. So it still didn't solve the problem. As you'll see, from my email, we're running 22 MC9090 RF units here on site, and then we're running another 4 in Kyabram. So we're running a total of 26 across both sites. Alright, so I'll move back to the I'll just select, as you can see there's 2 hosts there. So I'll go to Knox Move and I'll log in. Alright, so that part there is a site. We have another site running MC9090s. Do they have the same problem? I'm not sure of that. I cannot confirm on that one. So we're the top one, UNKX for Unilever Knox, so we 3PL for Unilever. Okay, so now I'm in the main menu. Just try and get unit in a nice spot so you can see clearly enough. So we'll go number 1 for inbound. So scan the receive location. So I'll type in our receiving location. which is REC01. That didn't work. Try again. So REC01 is our receiving location. So then we come down to number 3, EAN check-in. Okay, so I've created an ER number called EAN1 in our system. Alright, this is just so I can show you guys what's going on without having live inventory booked in at all. Alright, so I'll scan the TUN, which was, in this case, I'll actually type it in. Okay, now I'm up to the part of scanning the EAN barcode. So again, there's the EAN barcode. So if I can get that show you what's going on. Sorry, wrong one. Try again. Okay, I don't know if you've caught that, so I'll backspace. Now see, as you can see over the number 2, the C is flashing over the top. So now, if I press Control once and twice, as you can see it's removed the letter C. So I'll do another one for you. And we'll see if I can get it. Okay. So I'll try and just get it as close as possible as I can, so you can see. So I suppose the question is you would have is, where does that C pop up? It's hard to say. It looks like it's after the TUN number, but I cannot pinpoint it because it's going so far. So that's what's happening at the moment under the Knox and paperless WLTNA file. Alright, so now I'll move to video number 3 now, and that'll be the WLTNA file, which has the working EAN, and you'll see the results are different. So I'll talk to you shortly.